Our fourth pillar, I'm afraid, falls under the umbrella of what to do when things really go badly wrong. So it's the how do we recover part of resilience.
When something bad's happened and you've got to...
And there we're really talking about the fact that, as will be familiar to many of the people listening to this podcast, whilst most sane people make a point of backing up their data or having a third party back up their data or having Microsoft back up their data. And by data, I mean their files, Teams messages, emails, all that good stuff. There is no mechanism by which you can simply and safely back up and restore the tenant configuration itself. Yeah. So if you are compromised and things go horribly wrong and you're trying to rebuild the platform on which your business runs, let's put it as boldly as that, you can have all the data backups in the world. You can have all of Catherine's emails and all of John's Teams messages, but at the end of the day, if you don't have the configuration into which to restore, the tenant configuration into which to restore them, your Defender policies, your authentication and login policies, your data loss protection policies, Purview, your Exchange mailboxes and your Exchange policies, if you don't have all that stuff, you're looking at climbing a mountain. So our fourth pillar has to be something to back up and restore the tenant.